As a parent, have you ever wondered how to impart the importance of English language in your child's everyday life? Have you dreamed of making learning English fun? So hi, I'm Herman Kaur and today I'm going to share some tips to help your child use English language in everyday life but in fun ways. Kids love to talk and when it comes to phone calls, they love doing it, isn't it? So why not use this opportunity to help them become better in English language? So be it sending some birthday messages, doing a phone call to the family member, loved ones, or just conveying a message, make them a part of these conversations. Make them responsible to send messages in English language itself. With that, they'll be able to use English in everyday life without pushing them. Secondly, kids are always excited with the idea of shopping. Make them responsible for writing the shopping list and asking them to find out the items in the supermarket by themselves. This is the all-time favorite activity with kids. You can do shopping for various things, be it clothes, groceries, medicines, etc. I hope you love these tips and will definitely use this in your everyday life. So for more amazing and informative content, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.